Hello, Clarissa, the Curious Dabbler. I am so excited to meet you. I'm Dr. Minette Riordan, the designer of the Creative Superpower Quiz and the founder of Mindful Patterns, a company dedicated to using art as a creative process for self-discovery. And I am all about bringing more play into our lives, which you, Clarissa, excel at. Your creative superpower is your curiosity, your just sort of boundless enthusiasm for learning, for new experiences, and for trying on all different kinds of hats. The challenge, Clarissa, is that your superpower can also become your creative kryptonite. There are so many ideas and options for creative pursuits that you want to try them all, and it can be difficult sometimes to focus on the one that's most meaningful. Clarissa, what I want to say to you is that if you go back and you really embrace all of the things you've learned, all of the paths that you've been down, all of the different things you've tried and experienced, you're going to start to see some common threads among them that are going to help you really understand what your creative focus is right now in this moment. Now, I know, Clarissa, that it's easy to get bored because I have been you when I first started my own creative journey about 15 years ago, reconnecting to that inner artist within. I wanted to learn all the things. In fact, I did go learn all of the things. And what I realized is that I got good at learning and discarding and not needing to hold on to all the things that I've learned, but to take the magic, to take those pieces, those elements that felt essential to who I am and to the type of artist and creative that I want to be, and weave them together into a beautiful story of who I am today. So don't worry if you think there's something wrong with your desire to go down all of the paths. There's not. It is your genius, your ability to take it all in and try so many new things inspires others to also learn and grow. And what I want to encourage you to do now, Clarissa, is read the rest of the information on the page and do the journaling prompts at the end. Take it a little bit deeper and put some thought into really owning how what you might have perceived as your creative kryptonite when you're chasing purple squirrels in every direction is actually your creative superpower and the source of your inspiration. The trick is to learn how to focus for a period of time on one of your interests, but not to the exclusion of opportunities for learning. This has been a lifelong balancing act for me personally, and I will be sharing ways to take this information even deeper. But first, let's dive in and learn a little bit more about your creative personality and your creative superpower as Clarissa, the Curious Dabbler.